Good day. In this video, I'll be showcasing one of my favorite features of Kohezion, which is the auditing and the versioning capabilities. So essentially, Kohezion has the ability to track all changes made to a field, and it will track who made the change from what to what on which date. So it really allows you to see exactly what has been happening with the values in your data field. For the versioning, this is not available in our standard accounts, but a versioning will allow you to see how the record looked like when it was saved, and I'll be showing you that in a few seconds. So let's take a look at our first record here. So you have the basic record. You probably saw our CRM example before, and using the green drop down here, you can go to history. And from the history, you can see a list of all the changes made to that particular record, by whom, what was the old value, and what is the new value. So you know exactly the evolution and all the changes made to that particular record. If you go back to the drop down and it's available to your account, you can go to the versions. And the version is exactly how the record looked like when it was saved, and you just click on it to see it, to see that those values. So let me click on it here, and you see this is how the record looked at that time. And if we go a little bit here, you see that it was Jackie Tiberius instead. So you can see all the records over time, as well as all the changes from the history. To use the history, this is available to everybody. You just have to make sure to set the appropriate properties. So you go to the builder, you select your application, and each field of your application has a property called log changes. You just have to make sure that this is set to on, and once this is done, Kohezion will take care of the rest. If you have a field that's not so interesting in keeping all the changes, you just uncheck it, and Kohezion will not audit that specific field for changes. So again, these are some pretty useful features that you can use for all of your application, which allows you to see the changes to your field, as well as see the version of each of your records over time. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, of course, you can always contact us. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.